Hi everybody, welcome to this episode of the Health Channel. Almost everyone knows mint and has at least used mint flavored chewing gum. So let's get to the explanation of this cool plant. Mentha, also known as mint, is a genus of flowering plants in the mint family. Mints are aromatic, almost exclusively perennial herbs. They have wide-spreading underground and overground stolons and erect, square, branched stems. Mints will grow 10 to 120 cm tall and can spread over an indeterminate area due to their tendency to spread unchecked. Some mints are considered invasive. The leaves are arranged in opposite pairs from oblong to lanceolate, often downy, and with a serrated margin. Leaf colors range from dark green and gray-green to purple, blue, and sometimes pale yellow. The flowers are produced in long bracts from leaf axils. They are white to purple and produced in false whorls called verticillisters. More than 3,000 names have been published in the genus Mentha. It ranks from species to forms, the majority of which are regarded as synonyms or illegitimate names. The genus has a subcosmopolitan distribution across the world. Its species can be found in many environments, but most grow best in wet environments and moist soils. All mints thrive near pools of water, lakes, rivers, and cool, moist spots in partial shade. In general, mints tolerate a wide range of conditions and can also be grown in full sun in all year round. Harvesting of mint leaves can be done at any time. Fresh leaves should be used immediately or stored up to a few days in plastic bags in a refrigerator. Optionally, leaves can be frozen in ice cube trays. Dried mint leaves should be stored in an airtight container placed in a cool, dark, dry area. Fresh mint is usually preferred over dried mint when storage of the mint is not a problem. The leaves have a warm, fresh, aromatic, sweet flavor with a cool aftertaste and are used in teas, syrups, candies, ice creams, beverages, jellies, and sauces. Next, we will examine some of the benefits of mint. Number 1. Benefits of mint after meals. Among the most important benefits of mint after meals are fresh mouth. Consuming this herb after meals can be very useful for refreshing the mouth and eliminating its unpleasant odor. Relieve digestive problems. Mint after meals can help reduce symptoms of indigestion and bloating. The soothing and anti-inflammatory properties of this herb are useful in relieving digestive problems after meals. Number 2. Benefits of mint and honey. The combination of mint and honey has antiseptic properties and can be useful in reducing infections and bacteria. This combination can help improve the immune system and maintain general health. This combination of these two foods is also effective in relieving symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and digestive problems. Number 3. Heart benefits of mint. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of mint can be beneficial in reducing inflammation and oxidative damage associated with heart disease. This property helps maintain heart health. Consuming this herb has been shown to lower blood pressure in some people. The calming and anti-stress properties of mint can be beneficial in reducing high blood pressure. Number 4. Benefits of dried mint tea for infections. Dried mint tea can have antiseptic properties and be useful in dealing with various infections. For example, its consumption can help improve the symptoms of respiratory, digestive, and urinary tract infections. This drink also helps improve sleep, soothe the mind, and reduce nervous tension. Although this plant is full of beneficial properties and characteristics for the human body's health, excessive consumption of it causes side effects such as stomach irritation and burning, redness, itching and sensitivity, respiratory tract irritation, and shortness of breath in some patients, asthma, gastric mucosa irritation and stomach ulcers, insomnia and sleep disorders, headaches or dizziness. At the end of this video, thank you for being with me. For more information about other fruits and vegetables, follow other videos of this channel. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about mint, ask in the comments section. Your likes give us energy, and our wish is your health. Have a nice day and see you around.